Welcome to this documentary, exploring the remarkable journey of the Grey Brahman bullhorn industry. Hidden behind the doors of a modern manufacturing facility lies a world where skilled craftsmanship, precision engineering, and advanced technology transform natural horn into elegant luxury products. Today, we follow every step of this fascinating production process. From the arrival of raw materials to the final polished creations prepared for customers around the world. Our story begins long before manufacturing starts. Grey Brahman cattle are carefully raised on modern breeding farms where experienced livestock specialists provide balanced nutrition, clean water, veterinary care, and spacious environments. Healthy animals naturally develop strong, dense horns that later become valuable raw materials for high-quality handcrafted products manufactured with exceptional attention to detail. When suitable raw horns are ready for industrial processing, they are transported to the factory under carefully controlled conditions. Every shipment is recorded, labeled, and documented before entering the receiving department. Workers unload the materials using specialized equipment, ensuring each horn remains protected from unnecessary impact or surface damage during handling. Inside the receiving area, inspectors begin a detailed quality assessment. Every horn is examined for length, thickness, natural curvature, structural integrity, surface texture, and color consistency. Small imperfections are carefully identified, while premium quality horns are selected for luxury manufacturing. This inspection stage ensures only suitable materials continue through the production line. Following inspection, the selected horns enter the washing department. Powerful cleaning systems remove dust, dirt, natural oils, and any remaining impurities collected during storage and transportation. Clean surfaces improve later manufacturing accuracy while protecting cutting blades, polishing wheels, and precision machinery from contamination throughout the production process. After washing, the horns move into a controlled drying chamber where temperature and airflow are carefully monitored. Removing moisture evenly prevents internal stress within the horn material while preparing every piece for accurate machining. This patient drying stage helps preserve strength, flexibility, and the beautiful natural characteristics found inside every Grey Brahman horn. Once completely dry, each horn is carefully sorted according to size, wall thickness, curvature, weight, and intended product type. Production planners organize thousands of pieces into separate categories, so every horn follows the most efficient manufacturing route. Careful sorting reduces waste while ensuring maximum use of every valuable natural material. The next stage introduces gentle heat conditioning. Inside temperature-controlled equipment, the horns are slowly warmed until they become slightly flexible. Experienced technicians continuously monitor temperature and timing because excessive heat could damage the natural structure, while insufficient heating would make shaping more difficult during the next manufacturing operation. When conditioning is complete, computer-guided measuring equipment determines the exact cutting points for every horn. Precision saws remove unusable sections while preserving the strongest areas needed for premium products. Each careful cut follows production plans designed to maximize efficiency, maintain consistent quality, and minimize valuable material loss. Freshly cut horn sections continue to the shaping department. Here, advanced grinding machines and skilled operators gradually refine rough pieces into smooth, uniform forms. Every movement is carefully controlled to preserve the natural grain while creating dimensions that perfectly match the design specifications for luxury horn products manufactured later in the production line. Leaving the shaping department, every horn blank moves onto a series of sanding machines, fitted with progressively finer abrasive belts. The first sanding removes machining marks left by cutting and grinding, while each following stage smooths the surface even further. As the outer layer disappears, the natural patterns of the gray Brahman horn begin to emerge, revealing unique textures and subtle color variations that make every piece one of a kind. After sanding, skilled technicians carefully inspect every component under bright inspection lights. They search for hidden cracks, air pockets, uneven thickness, or natural flaws that may affect the final product. Pieces meeting the factory's strict quality standards continue forward, while defective sections are recycled into smaller, decorative items, ensuring valuable raw material is used as efficiently as possible. Selected horn pieces now enter the heat-forming department. Controlled heat softens the material once again, allowing experienced workers to gently straighten curved sections or press them into flat sheets using heavy hydraulic presses. Pressure is applied gradually to preserve the horn's natural strength while producing smooth surfaces required for luxury manufacturing applications. The flattened horn sheets are slowly cooled under controlled conditions to maintain their new shape. Rushing this process could introduce stress or unwanted distortion, so cooling takes place with careful monitoring. Once stabilized, every sheet is measured again to confirm uniform thickness and flatness before moving to the next stage of precision machining. Next comes precision cutting. Computer-guided machines and custom templates are used to cut the horn sheets into exact shapes and sizes. Depending on the final design, workers produce small blanks for buttons, combs, jewelry, knife scales, decorative inlays, handles, and premium fashion accessories. Every cut is planned to minimize waste while maintaining consistent product quality. After cutting, each component moves to drilling and profiling stations. High-speed precision drills create perfectly centered holes for buttons, decorative fittings, or assembly hardware. Specialized routers refine every edge with smooth, rounded profiles that improve both appearance and comfort. Constant measurements ensure every component matches exact manufacturing specifications. For products requiring intricate detail, skilled artisans perform careful hand finishing. Using fine files, carving tools, and polishing sticks, they refine curves, remove tiny imperfections, and enhance the natural beauty of every horn piece. Although modern machinery performs most shaping operations, experienced craftsmanship remains essential for achieving premium luxury quality. Some premium products receive decorative engraving or precision laser marking. Elegant geometric patterns, custom artwork, or manufacturer logos are carefully added without damaging the horn's natural appearance. Every design is positioned with remarkable accuracy, creating sophisticated details that increase both visual appeal and product value, while preserving the material's distinctive character. The finished components now enter the polishing department. Large, rotating cotton wheels, combined with specialized polishing compounds, gradually transform the smooth horn into a brilliant, glossy finish. As each layer is polished, the natural grain becomes deeper and more vibrant, highlighting the unique patterns formed over many years of natural growth. The final polishing stage is completed entirely by hand. Skilled workers examine every surface from multiple angles under bright lighting, removing even the smallest blemishes before wiping each piece with soft cloths. The result is a flawless, mirror-like finish that reflects the precision, patience, and craftsmanship invested throughout every stage of the gray Brahman horn manufacturing process.